Hello smart designers, I'm Dimple Anand and in this video I will be sharing the current prices of sewing machines in India. These machines are good for beginners, for advanced users as well as for intermediates like the people who love to stitch, dressmakers, or if you are a fashion designing student, then also these machines are good for you. These machines are good for big like home use and beginners alike. So there are different types of machines, and if you are feeling like confused which machine to buy, which machine to go for, which machine is right for me, and you feel that you are having limited knowledge about the types of machines in the market, the features needed for your requirement, the quality and durability, and whether the machine of your choice would come within your budget, then stitchingmall.com is the right place where you will get the answers to all these questions. While you buy any sewing machine, you must consider three things. First, what is your sewing need and skill level, whether you are a beginner, whether you love to stitch sometimes, or you are a fashion design student, or you are a regular dressmaker. Based on that, buy a basic machine or an advanced machine. The second most important thing is quality and durability. Your machine should be good quality. It should be a branded machine. Even if you are going for a local machine, be very careful that the machine has good reviews. Many customers have used it. The machine is trusted, the company is trusted, and the customer service is good, and the company is giving warranty also. Then your budget, that the machine must come within your budget. If you feel the machine is going to be an investment for you, like you are a fashion design student and you are going to use a machine for your clients also, for earning money from your machine, then you may invest slightly more than your budget. But if you are buying a machine for home use only or as a learner, then it's good to go for a basic machine that comes within your budget. So based on these things, I am suggesting a few machines, 5 machines I am suggesting. These machines fulfill all these three requirements. They are good for beginners, intermediate level, and quality and durability is good, and they will be within your budget. These machines are good for dressmaking and alterations. You can do buttons, zippers, make alterations or fit your dresses, alter your dresses. You can make home decor and craft items, and also repair and mending job can be done with these machines. These are automatic zigzag machines. That means you can do picot, sari falls, zip fixing, button sewing, buttonhole making, zigzag designing, piping and embroidery designs with these machines. All these models have auto bobbin winder, free arm for circular stitching, light bulb, electric pedal, sewing tools, accessory box, etc. And these machines will make your stitching too much fun. If you want to know the tutorial for these machines, then you can also check the tutorials of Stitch Magic I have already shared, and most of the automatic machines have the similar function. These are some of the models. Dream Stitch is good for beginners, Stitch Magic good for fashion makers, and Singer 4423 heavy duty machine is for boutique purpose and fashion makers. I have also shared some of the reviews. In fact, a lot many reviews and comparisons of different machines. In case the 5 machines that I am suggesting you feel, or you have any other machines in your mind, then you can also check the reviews on the website stitchingmall.com, and based on that you can choose which is the best machine for you. And here is the Stitching Mall store that you can visit for making the right choice for your machine. So let's check out the prices of top 5 high rated best selling sewing machines. I'm sharing 5 highly rated sewing machines with you. The number 1 is Singer Promise 1412. This is automatic zigzag sewing machine with very good features, 12 built-in stitches and 18 stitch functions. That is good for beginners as well as dressmakers. The price is also 10,299, and you are getting additional 10% discount on SBI credit cards. This is a limited time deal. Generally, my observation is I have been stitching since the age of 10, so it's been about 34 years now. And my observation is During summers, the prices of sewing machines is less, but during festive season or Diwali time, October time, the prices go up. During December itself, the prices go up because that is the gifting time. So it's a good idea to buy sewing machines now. This machine, Singer Promise 1 for 1 2, the ratings are good. You can see 504 ratings and 100 bought in past 1 month. So this is limited time deal. You can go for Singer. Singer is a durable machine, metal frame, and the 12 built-in stitches are good for beginners as well as for dressmakers. Second machine is Singer Simple 3229. Some of you had been asking me if this machine is good. That time there had been some problem due to corona times and the machine was not available, but now this is available with a revised better model, better features, and now you can go for this machine. The built-in stitches 29, 71 stitch functions, and the 499 is the rating for this machine. 400% viewed this machine last month. Price is 15,000, but you can get 10% off on SBI credit card. Now you may wonder why the price is more. If it doesn't fit your budget, it's okay. You can go for lower models. The price you can see that based on the stitch functions and stitched designs availability also. Here you are getting 29, whereas in smaller models, basic models, you are getting 12 built-in stitches for 10,000. So it's a matter of about 5,000 rupees. You are getting more than double stitch functions and stitch designs. Third model is Singer Promise 1402. This is a basic beginner level home use sewing machine with 8 built-in stitches and 24 stitch functions. The Singer 1402 is a close competitor to Usha Genome Dream Stitch, and the other model, that is Usha Genome Stitch Magic. This is my machine. I'm using it for 13 years. So this is a higher model. But these two machines, Singer Promise 1402 and Usha Genome Dream Stitch, they are close competitors. But there is one major difference, that Usha Genome Dream Stitch gives you 550 stitch per minute speed. That is good for beginners. Whereas Singer Promise 1408 is about 760 stitch per minute speed. That is slightly more. And here you are getting 24 stitch functions. In Usha Genome Dream Stitch, you are getting 14 stitch functions. If you are very much beginner and you are afraid of automatic sewing machine, then it's a good idea, go for Dream Stitch. But if you are a dress designer, dressmaker, then that would be a better idea to go for Singer, because the price is also that much not increased for Singer 1408, whereas the machine is really good. So based on the, if you go for the rating, of course the rating is 3511 for Singer 1408, whereas more people bought Dream Stitch due to is it's easy to use and very manageable speed. 550 is very manageable for the beginners. So for beginners, if you are a complete beginner, Dream Stitch is a better machine. Now for the advanced users and dressmakers, dress designers, fashion makers, it's a good thing to go for Stitch Magic, because Stitch Magic can do the quilting, and it can do your jeans stitching etc. Also, it has 57 stitch functions and 23 built-in stitches. This machine is really durable. I've shared a lot many videos with you, tutorials, all the do's, don'ts, how to clean, everything, all the tutorials I have shared with you on this channel and Stitching Mall Hindi channel. I'm sure these prices would give you an insight which machine is best for you, and within the budget of 10,000 or 15 to 20,000, which machine you can buy. If you have more questions, you can let me know on either on the end of this channel, or you can tell me, or you can check out Stitching Mall website, and there also you can see different options that is available for you. You can check the reviews, comparisons, the machines that are available, and then based on your understanding, you can ask me the question if you have any, or you can choose a machine for yourself or your family members. I wish you all the best for choosing the best machine for yourself. Happy stitching. Take care. See you in the next video.